The second shortcut is, if you look at the sheet, if you look at the column B, which is of product name, the user is not able to see the complete data inside the cell. So to view complete data inside the cell, we can select that cell first and then just hit Alt O C A. The data of that particular column will be visible. To one thing, guys, you have to keep it in mind is that you have to select that column, or you have to select those cells. Reason being, if I make B1 as my active cell and then I hit Alt OCA, that particular activated cell's size will be taken in the consideration for applying the width for that column. So make sure that the data which is present inside the column, inside that particular column, select all the data. Okay, select all data and then hit Alt OCA, and then you will be able to see the data clearly from that column.